After my blog post yesterday where I commented about the favorite gift being a $4 sound maker, a lot of Active Rain friends wanted to know what that was about. This is it. I guess I did picture it in the blog, but many of you wanted to hear some of the sounds. I'll play just a few of the sounds for you so I can keep this video around a minute or less. The first one here, I label this Candace and I drinking shots of tequila. This is my meeting with Nina when I first see her. Let's do that one again. This is Nina after we first meet. And another one of my favorites. Well, here's meeting Ina or Valeria. This is for some of the sensitive folks in the question and answer section. And that's all I'm going to play for now. Hope you enjoyed that.